Section 1. Cosmic Dance Floor, where galaxies collide. In the vast expanse of the universe, galaxies are not just isolated islands of stars, they are dynamic entities, constantly moving and interacting with one another. Space is vast and seemingly empty. It stretches out in all directions, a dark canvas dotted with distant stars and galaxies. But it's also a dynamic place. Within this vastness, galaxies are in perpetual motion, swirling and dancing through the cosmos. Galaxies, those massive collections of stars, are constantly moving. They are pulled by the gravitational forces of other galaxies and cosmic structures. Sometimes their paths intersect, leading to spectacular collisions. These events are not random. They are orchestrated by the invisible hand of gravity. These collisions are not like car crashes. They are slow, majestic dances that unfold over millions of years. They happen over millions of years. The galaxies gradually come together, their stars and gas clouds beginning to intermingle. Gravity is the driving force behind these cosmic events. It pulls the galaxies together, guiding their slow, inevitable merger. These collisions are more like mergers. The galaxies blend into one another, creating a new, larger galaxy. The galaxy's stars, gas, and dust intermingle. This process can trigger new waves of star formation as the gas clouds are compressed and heated. This creates stunning visual displays and triggers bursts of star formation. New stars are born in the chaotic aftermath of the collision. The Hubble Space Telescope recently captured one such event. Its powerful lenses have given us a front-row seat to these cosmic spectacles. 3 galaxies are locked in a gravitational dance. They are slowly merging, their stars and gas clouds intertwining. This collision is providing valuable insights into the evolution of galaxies. By studying these events, astronomers can learn how galaxies grow and change over time, shedding light on the history of our universe. Section 2. Hubble's Sharp Eye, Catching the Action. The Hubble Space Telescope is a marvel of engineering. Launched in 1990, it has been our window to the universe for over 3 decades. Its design and construction were a collaborative effort between NASA and the European Space Agency, showcasing the pinnacle of human ingenuity and international cooperation. It orbits Earth high above the atmosphere at an altitude of about 547 kilometers. This position allows it to avoid the blurring effects of Earth's atmosphere, providing a clear and unobstructed view of the universe. This vantage point allows it to capture incredibly sharp images of the cosmos. From the intricate details of distant galaxies to the delicate structures of nebulae, Hubble's images have captivated both scientists and the public alike. Unlike ground-based telescopes, Hubble isn't hampered by atmospheric distortion. This means it can observe celestial objects with unprecedented clarity and precision, making it an invaluable tool for astronomers. This gives it a clear view of distant objects, allowing us to peer deeper into space and further back in time than ever before. Hubble has provided us with images of galaxies as they were billions of years ago, offering a glimpse into the early universe. Hubble's observations have revolutionized astronomy. Its data has led to numerous groundbreaking discoveries, reshaping our understanding of the cosmos and our place within it. It has shown us the birth and death of stars, capturing the dramatic processes that govern stellar evolution. From the formation of new stars and dense molecular clouds to the explosive deaths of massive stars as supernovae, Hubble has documented it all. It has helped us understand the expansion of the universe. By observing distant supernova, Hubble provided key evidence for the accelerating expansion of the universe, a discovery that led to the Nobel Prize in Physics in 2011. And it has revealed the existence of supermassive black holes at the centers of galaxies. These enigmatic objects, millions to billions of times the mass of our Sun, play a crucial role in the formation and evolution of galaxies. The recent observation of a triple galaxy merger is another feather in Hubble's cap. This rare event provides valuable insights into the dynamics of galaxy interactions and the processes that drive their evolution. This event is a testament to the telescope's enduring power. Even after more than 30 years in space, Hubble continues to push the boundaries of our knowledge, capturing the awe-inspiring beauty and complexity of the universe. Section 3. A Cosmic Waltz. 3. Become One. In the vast expanse of the universe, galaxies are not static entities. They move, interact, and sometimes they collide and merge. This chapter delves into one such fascinating event. The 3 galaxies caught in Hubble's latest observation are engaged in a cosmic waltz. This dance of the galaxies is a mesmerizing spectacle, showcasing the dynamic nature of our universe. They are located about 681 million light-years away from Earth. To put that into perspective, light from these galaxies began its journey towards us when dinosaurs roamed our planet. The galaxies are slowly being drawn together by their mutual gravity. This gravitational pull is an invisible force, yet it shapes the very structure of the cosmos. This gravitational tug-of-war distorts their shapes. The once majestic spiral arms of these galaxies are now twisted and stretched, a testament to the immense forces at play. The galaxies are intertwined, their spiral arms stretched and pulled. This interaction is not just a collision, but a complex dance where each galaxy influences the other. Streams of gas and dust flow between them, creating bridges of stellar material. These bridges are rich with the building blocks of stars, planets, and potentially life itself. This cosmic dance is a slow and dramatic process, unfolding over millions of years. While it may seem like a violent event, it is also a creative one, leading to the birth of new stars and planetary systems. Eventually, the three galaxies will merge into a single, larger galaxy. This new galaxy will be a blend of the three, carrying with it the history and material of its predecessors, continuing the cycle of cosmic evolution. Section 4. Stellar Nurseries, Birth from Chaos. Galaxy collisions may seem destructive, but they are actually incredibly fertile. The collisions trigger intense bursts of star formation. This is because the gas and dust within the galaxies are compressed. This compression ignites star birth on a grand scale. The regions where galaxies collide light up with the brilliance of newborn stars. These stellar nurseries are some of the most luminous and energetic places in the universe. The Hubble telescope's observations of these regions are helping astronomers understand the processes that drive star formation. Section 5. Echoes of the Past Understanding Galaxy Formation. Studying galaxy collisions provides valuable insights into how galaxies form and evolve. Astronomers believe that the early universe was a chaotic place. Galaxies were smaller and closer together. Collisions were more common. These collisions played a crucial role in shaping the universe we see today. By studying these events, astronomers can piece together the history of our own galaxy, the Milky Way. It is likely that our galaxy has experienced its own share of collisions in its long history. Section 6. Hubble's Legacy, a telescope for the ages. The Hubble Space Telescope has been orbiting Earth for over 3 decades. It has far exceeded its initial mission goals. It has made groundbreaking discoveries that have transformed our understanding of the universe. Hubble's legacy extends beyond its scientific achievements. It has inspired generations of people with its stunning images of the cosmos. It has shown us the beauty and wonder of the universe we inhabit. Section 7. More than pictures. Hubble's impact on science. While Hubble's images are breathtaking, they are more than just pretty pictures. They are packed with scientific data. Astronomers analyze this data to learn about the composition, temperature, and motion of celestial objects. Hubble's observations have helped us understand the expansion of the universe, the life cycle of stars, and the existence of dark matter and dark energy. These discoveries have profound implications for our understanding of the cosmos. Section 8. The Future of Space Telescopes, Beyond Hubble. While Hubble continues to make groundbreaking observations, it is not immortal. Its successor, the James Webb Space Telescope, is already in operation. The James Webb Telescope observes the universe in infrared light. This allows it to see through gas and dust clouds that obscure Hubble's view. Together, these powerful telescopes are providing an unprecedented view of the universe. Section 9. Unraveling the Cosmos. The quest continues. The observation of a triple galaxy merger is just one example of the many mysteries that astronomers are trying to unravel. The universe is a vast and complex place. We are constantly making new discoveries that challenge our understanding. The quest to understand the cosmos is an ongoing journey. With each new observation, we gain a deeper appreciation for the wonders of the universe. Section 10. Keep looking up, inspiration from above. The Hubble Space Telescope has shown us the beauty and grandeur of the universe. Its images inspire awe and wonder. They remind us that we are part of something much larger than ourselves. So, the next time you look up at the night sky, remember that there are telescopes like Hubble out there, capturing the universe's most spectacular events. Keep looking up and never stop exploring.